Welcome back to Little Yacht Sales. We've got something special for you today, and it's our 1981 Midnight Lace Rumrunner 44. This boat was designed by the legendary Tom Fexas, who has designed numerous boats for companies such as Grand Banks and Palmer Johnson. In the early 70s, Fexas decided to design his ideal boat. At a time when most motor yachts were beamy and boxy, he drew inspiration from the sleek commuter boats of the 20s and the World War II era PT boats. As you can see, this boat has a retro look, with a low profile and graceful and flowing lines. This became known as Italian styling, which Fexas brought back into vogue with this exact design at the 1978 Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. There, it was a hit and caught the attention of Choi Lee. Soon afterwards, they formed the Golden Wave Shipyards to produce the Midnight Lace. Over the years, only 20 of the Midnight Lace 44s were built. Tom Fexas designed this yacht to move through the water efficiently with minimum effort. The hull slices through the water instead of planing, and since it doesn't plane, it doesn't require extreme power to bring the hull up. The bow remains in the water and the transom will rise and break clean. Since the Midnight Lace was designed to be long and lean, a unique feature it has is the forward cockpit. This allows passage through the boat, eliminating the need for wide walk-around decks. The 9-inch side decks have plenty of space for you to set fenders. In the cockpit, the elimination of wide side decks allows the area to stretch from hull side to hull side. The cockpit also features a custom aluminum radar arch with a remote spotlight. There is plenty of varnished wood trim as well as Raymarine electronics. Moving into the Salon, you're greeted with a deceptively spacious area with a settee to port and a table to starboard. Like I mentioned previously, although the beam of the boat is narrow, the side decks allow for a salon that is similar in size to beamier boats with walkarounds. Adding to the openness are the deep side windows that allow you to easily see outside while seated. The Galley has plenty of storage and features a 3-burner stove and oven, microwave, and a full-size fridge and freezer. The Midnight Lace features a full-width owner's stateroom with a walk-around double bed. There is a ton of storage throughout, as well as large flush hull windows that provide natural light. You'll stay cool with the 16,000 BTU air conditioning unit. Just forward of the owner's stateroom is the enclosed head with separate shower. The guest stateroom is forward and has 2 opposing twin berths as well as storage below. As you go up the ladder, you enter the forward cockpit, which is a really unique place to sit. With this feature, your guests are able to easily access the deck of the boat without passing through the owner's stateroom. The open arrangement of the boat is made possible by moving the engines to the stern out from under the accommodation areas. Here, under the aft cockpit is where the repowered twin 300 horsepower Volvo diesels sit. And since the boat is designed to cut through the water instead of planing, it is fast and efficient. Fast, fuel efficient, and definitely unique, this yacht is a classic Tom Fexas design, and she is ready to cruise. This is your chance to own something unlike anything else on the market. You can find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below. As always, to see our other listings, visit our website at littleyachtsales.com.